Hello everyone, welcome to my Bulma cosplay wig styling tutorial. She wears a lot of different hairstyles throughout the series. My cosplay is based off her look here, which has a long, voluminous side bang moment. I start with this beautiful minty blue lace front wig from Amazon. Then I use the elastic band method to streamline the installation process, aka no need for glue or other products to secure the lace as I've done before. I flip the wig inside out, then measure an elastic band from temple to temple, behind my ears and stretching just a bit. I cut the band to the length that I need, pin down each end, then sew them into the lace. I recommend using T-pins to better hold the elastic, as well as a thicker band for comfort, though the one I used still worked. Then I start the tedious but worthwhile process of crimping all of the hair. Watch my I tried crimping my cosplay wig for the first time video for more details. I've been obsessed with crimping my wigs lately, and I think it really takes your cosplay to the next level. I sectioned the wefted backside from the lace front portion, then I parted the remaining hair according to my reference photo and continued crimping. Once that's finally done, I fluff up the hair to add volume. Then I use a duckbill clip and hairspray to shape the bangs, along with the blow dryer on low heat to set it. I use a point cut to trim the length. You should probably do this before styling, but what's cosplay without a little chaos? I trim the rest of the hair with a downward cut, mostly to help the ends look a little more even, since this was a curly wig to begin with. Lastly, because I almost forgot, I carefully trim the lace as close to the hairline as possible. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching. Check out my makeup tutorial for her if you haven't already. And stay tuned for my Bulma costume tutorial coming soon. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. And if you want even spicier Bulma, subscribe to my OnlyFans. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me, and until next time, please take care and stay well.